Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zapier for affiliate automation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Zapier website at zapier.com. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once registered, log in to your Zapier account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. In the dashboard, click on Make a Zap located in the top left corner. Determine the trigger app you want to use. Search for the app in the prompt that appears. Select the trigger event that you want to automate. Follow the prompts to connect your trigger app to Zapier. Test the connection to ensure everything is working properly. Next, select the action app where you want the results to go. Again, search for the desired app in the prompt. Choose the action event you want Zapier to perform. Connect your action app to Zapier by following the provided instructions. Test the action to make sure it works as expected. Once both the trigger and action are set up, name your Zap for easy reference. Turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the bottom. Monitor your Zap for performance in the dashboard. Review the Zap history to troubleshoot any issues if they arise. Familiarize yourself with additional settings to customize your workflows further. Explore Zapier's templates for pre-made workflows that suit your affiliate needs. Continue experimenting with different app integrations to enhance your automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.